Now, we've got these two machines, A and B, and they produce plastic bottles. Machine A produces 30% of the output, but has a 3% defective rate. Machine B, 70% of the factory's output with an 8% defective rate. And then we do this. We get a bottle selected at random, and it turns out to be defective, and we want to know what's the probability it was produced by machine B. So let's draw a tree diagram. How about if we start here? We could be at machine A or machine B. Now there's a 30% chance we'll be at A, a 70% chance at B. And then from A, we can get defectives or non-defectives. And defectives, that's going to be 3%, so 97% non-defectives. And for machine B, well, we can get defectives, non-defectives, and that's 8% defectives, and so that's 92% non-defectives. Now what we're looking for is this. What is the probability that it came from machine B given that it's defective? This is a conditional probability problem, and we have a formula for this, and it goes like this. We'll intersect both of these, so B and D, and then divide by the probability of what's given, right? So on the top, you intersect these two, and on the bottom, you put what's given. Now, B intersect D, that's B and D. So we want B, that's down here, I'm on my tree diagram, B and D. So we're at this branch right here. So how do we get that number? We have to go here and here. So that's going to be, I'll draw a fraction bar here, that's going to be our 0.70 times 0.08. And then in the denominator, how do we get a defective? Well, look over at the tree. We could get a defective here or plus here. So if we go a defective here, we're on this branch 30 and 03, so this one here is going to be 0.30 and 0.03, and this one down here, all right, that's the one we just looked at. And it could be an or, right? So that's going to be a plus. So our denominator then becomes 0.30 times 0.03 plus 0.70 times 0.08. Now remember, we've done some of these in the homework, is that this top number will always match one of the bottoms, but they don't cancel, right? Because we have an addition, and you can't cancel through additions. So what it means is that if we randomly choose a bottle here and it turns out to be defective, there's an 86% chance that it came from machine B.